Hey guys, have you ever accidentally deleted your important photos or videos on Mac? In this video, we are going to show you 7 practical ways to recover deleted photos, videos, or any other deleted files on Mac, even you have emptied the trash bin. Let's get started. If you did not do any other operations after deleting photos or videos on Mac, using a new option to recover deleted files might be the easiest way. To do this, simply open the Edit menu in the menu bar and then click the Undo Move of 6 Items option. Or you can use the shortcut key Command plus C. If you can't find deleted photos or videos using Undo option, go to Trash Bin to find the deleted items. Open the trash bin by clicking on its icon. Search for the file you suspect was deleted. If the file is found, right-click on the file and select the Put Back option. When you delete a photo from the Photo app, it goes into the Recently Deleted album, where it stays for 30 days. During this 30-day period, you can easily recover it with just a few clicks. Open the Photos app and select Recently Deleted from the column on the left. Select the photo you want to recover and click the Recover button in the top right corner. iCloud is Apple's cloud backup service, which can synchronize data across Apple devices. When you delete a photo from iCloud, it disappears from all devices, but you can still find it in the Recently Deleted folder. Go to www.icloud.com/ and sign in with your username and password. Select Photos. Click on Albums at the top. Open the Recently Deleted album. Select the photos you want to restore and click Recover. Time Machine is Apple's backup and recovery tool, and it comes installed on your Mac. If you have enabled it before, that would be easy enough for Time Machine to recover even permanently deleted files. To restore files on Mac using a Time Machine backup, open the folder where you deleted media file in the Finder. Select Enter Time Machine from the Time Machine menu bar. Scroll back through Time Machine until the file appears in the Finder window, and then select the file and click Restore to recover it. The Mac Terminal program provides an alternate method of recovering files from your Mac's trash. It is a command line way to recover recently deleted photos or videos from your computer. To recover deleted files with Mac Terminal, launch the Terminal application and then enter the cd trash command. Type this command mvxxx, xxx where xxx. xxx is the full file name and extension. Hit return. Type Quit to exit the Terminal app. Open a Finder window, and you should find the recovered file in its original location. If the above solution can't find your deleted photos or videos, using a data recover tool is the best choice. Tenorshare 4 DDIG is a professional data recover tool which can recover all deleted or lost data from Mac, Windows, USB flash drive, SD card, external hard drives, digital camera, and more. It supports diversified scenarios such as accidentally deletion, emptied trash, disk format, update failure, system crash, and more. For how it works, download and install Tenorshare 4 DDIG on your Mac and launch it. As you can see from the interface, 4 DDIG can recover data from local hard drives, external hard drives, trash, and even from crashed Mac. Simply select the location where you deleted photos or videos and then click Scan to further your step. 4 DDIG will do an all-around scanning on the select location. After the scanning, you are able to find your deleted video or photos to preview. Finally, select the target files and then click Recover to save them to a safe location. And please do not save the recovered files to the partition where you lost them in case of permanent data loss. Hopefully these 7 methods can help you recover deleted photos or videos on Mac. If you have any questions, just leave your comments below. See you next time.